Barth. I'm going to show you how to make a video and audio using Flip. So as you can see my screen here, I'm in a class, but you don't need to go to your class because you're not doing anything there. You're going to click camera right here. And I hope this works because it's my first time trying it this way. You're going to have to allow the microphone and the camera to work. Audio first. So here in the audio, I'm going to talk for 30 seconds, and I'm going to say, hola, me llamo Profesora Barth, tengo 54 años, mi cumpleaños es el 14 de marzo y me gusta mucho ir a las montañas, me gusta pasar tiempo con mi familia. Okay, so here you're going to talk for 30 seconds, and I'm actually not recording, so I should have. Let's see, I'm going to try recording this time. You're going to get a countdown. Hola, me llamo Profesora Barth, tengo 54 años, mi cumpleaños es el 14 de marzo, me gusta mucho practicar el piano, me gusta cocinar y me gusta pasar tiempo con mi familia. Yo soy de California, pero nací en México. Okay, I went too far. See that timer? It's already 9:32, so I'm going to stop the timer, and then I'm going to click next. Hola, me llamo Profesora Barth, tengo 54 años. And it's going to let me edit and stuff. You can like add music and be creative, but for now, just do the audio. You can try getting creative later if you want. So there's also some different options, like you can add text. Let's see how this works. I'm not really sure what that does. Flip's changed a little bit since I last used it. It also has stickers and it has photos that you can play around with if you want to try those. Okay, so I'm gonna post my video, so I'm gonna call it Spanish audio introduction, and then click save to my profile, and it takes a minute to save it and upload it, and so don't close out the window while you're uploading because you're waiting to be able to get a link. So you're going to create a link, and you can just click this to copy your link, and then you can go paste it into the text box, or if there's a URL sharing in the assignment, I'm not sure exactly how you can do two. That's why I made it so you can submit in the text box. So then if you go back to your profile, you can see all your videos and audio, I believe. Let's go. It's not really a video, it's audio, but it's going to show up under my videos.